Money Masters! Want to learn how to be super smart with money? Today we're unlocking the 5 most important money lessons every kid should know. Let's go! Lesson 1. Money comes from work. Did you know money doesn't magically appear in your piggy bank? It comes from work. Think of it like a video game. Every time you complete a task, like helping with chores, selling lemonade, or even walking a dog, you earn money. Secret tip. The more you practice smart money habits, the faster you level up to Money Master. Lesson 2. Save before you spend. Imagine you get $10. What's the first thing you do? Do you spend it all on candy? Or do you save some first? Here's a trick. Save at least half and spend the rest wisely. Smart money. Move. Saving equals more money for bigger things. Later, lesson 3. Needs versus wants. Pop quiz. Which one is a need and which one is a want? A need is something you must have to live, like food, clothes, and a place to live. A want is something fun but not necessary, like the newest video game or a giant gummy bear. Smart money masters know how to tell the difference. Lesson 4. Make your money grow. Did you know money can grow like a plant? If you put your money in a savings account or invest it, it can grow over time. That's why grown-ups save for big things, like buying a house or starting a business. The earlier you start saving, the more your money grows. Lesson 5. Giving is awesome. Money isn't just for spending. It can also help others. Giving feels good and makes the world a better place. Money. Master challenge. Try saving a little to give to someone in need. You'll be amazed how great it feels. Now you know how to be a money master. Remember, earn it, save it, spend it wisely, make it grow and share with others. Want more fun money lessons? Make sure to watch our next video.